Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off the announce calls feature on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down until you find Apps. Then, tap on it. After that, scroll down and select Phone. In this menu, you'll see Announce Calls. Tap on that. Here you'll see 4 options: always, headphones and car, headphones only, and never. To turn off announce calls completely, select never. This will stop Siri from announcing caller names out loud. And that's it. You can now close settings. Siri will no longer announce who's calling. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.